Are you really sure that claim is going to be covered? In my career, I've been to several insurance conferences where longtime professionals get up on stage and teach people about one coverage or another, or give claim scenarios. They're experts in their field, and I always enjoy them. But there's one that really sticks out to me, and this individual put it very simply. He's got an acronym for all agents and for all policyholders. Do you want to know if something's covered? RTFP is the acronym, and it stands for Read the Policy. The message is clear. If you want to know what's covered, you have to read the policy. Now, I get it. Reading an insurance policy is not exactly how I spend my free time, but it is something I do quite often. Knowing exactly what coverages are in the policy, knowing exactly what exclusions or exceptions to those exclusions, knowing when the policy will react, how long after a loss. These are things that you won't know unless you read the policy. Even your agent, if they're just telling you off of memory or giving you an answer to something that they may have seen in the past, that doesn't necessarily mean that the loss will be covered. The only way to know is to read the policy.